box which would be rotating. So this was in a box which we should manually rotate, means like this it would be rotating manually by hand only, and I have given it as a semi-automatic name because we have to control some potentiometer and the preset as to gain the light intensity and the speed of the RPM of a motor, and speed also we can tell it. So as due to this I have given it as semi-automatic. It would be coming in next video, miss this only video, be tuned for it. And in this guys project I have made some little changes also for this project. It would be rotating on a gear motor, not a simple motor. It would be coming guys, so let's see it. So let's roll the intro, let's go guys. So guys, here it comes. This is the semi-automatic rotating box as you can see here. So guys, first I will go with the demonstration of this, then the component I have used, and then the conclusion part which would be last. So guys, now let's see demonstration part, first part. So guys, as you can see here, this is a potentiometer. As you can see here, this is a potentiometer. Just me focus it. Yeah, this is a potentiometer which would be controlling the speed of a gear motor. The gear motor is behind this. I will show you just a second. Let me just this was an LED hole, but due to this the LED hole just went inside and the LED is now inside. Now comes the behind part. This much only in guys, the front part. So this is an behind. This is a 12 volt DC power male to female jack. It is an power jack. This is an toggle switch as you can see, and as you can see here guys, this is a preset of 5K. Let me just show you guys. As you can see here, so guys, this is the preset as you can see here. Now comes this the LED light guys. As you can see here, these are the warm yellow LED lights of around guys 12 volts and 1 ampere, but as due to this I am using a 12 volt 1.5 ampere jack. As you can see here guys, let me just show you. So this is a 12 volt 1.5 ampere jack. I have just used because there would be a disturbance in current, so I don't want any concluding part because I would be giving this to a customer. And guys, as you can see here, this is the gear motor, the pivoted point inside the acrylic sheet part guys. Can you see it? Yeah, so this was on a gear motor which I have used, and guys I was telling you that this is the photo frame. This is a photo frame box. So from all the side it had photos near my uncle guys. As you can see, so this photo frame was standard, so we would be keeping it here, and if we want to see the photo, we want to rotate it guys like this manually. But guys, now I have made it semi-automatic as you can see here. So this is on a semi-automatic. As it is on a semi-automatic guys, because now it would be rotating on a gear motor, and it is semi-automatic because we have to control the speed of a gear motor and the intensity of a light, which the preset I have shown you. The guys preset is dedicated to the intensity of a light, and this potentiometer of around 100K is dedicated to the gear motor underneath it guys. Guys, the circuit diagram would be in link in description, and the code no guys, sorry, it is not an Arduino. The circuit diagram would be in description. Guys, inside this is a powerhouse of an box. This is powerhouse of an photo frame, because whole the circuit and I've used transistor, DC, power jack is inside there. You would be considering as it is a big box because but it is as compared to this, and the center of this box, it is a normal casual size box. It is around 24 and 5 inches, like 5 inches, not 10 inches, as you can see. So now let's go guys, and let's see how it works. So guys, here comes the working of it. Now just guys, I have connected it. So this is a toggle switch. I will just switch it on. The light has been turned on. It is on a yellow warm light. Now to check the speed, now guys we will check the speed. So guys, to check means to turn on the geared motor, we have to just turn on this potentiometer. So guys, now you would be thinking that this is very fast, we don't want like this. So just to it needs to get some guys kickstart. So for that kickstart I have set it around 5 volts. It will get kickstart, and after that we can decrease the speed manually. So it is a guys semi automatic. So guys, now I would be decreasing it. Guys, this is on a minimum speed we can reach, and this is the last speed where it would be stopping. So the minimum speed would be around 10 rpm per minute, 10 or 50 rpm. Let me see guys. So this is to set it precisely guys, we have to just keep it on that speed and just turn off it. So guys, this is the minimum speed which we could reach here. So guys, as you can see, by manually rotating, how bore it would be. So by let machine do their work and let man do our work. So this is the machine which I have made like this. It would be rotating. And the circuit diagram would be linked in description guys. I will give it. So guys, as you can see, this only would be rotating like this and like this, same continuously. Now we can change the intensity of light also guys. I will just show you with the preset. I have put it on 5K as I have told you. Let's see that.
So sorry guys for the concluding part, due to some guys editing problem I could not upload it, so I am making this voiceover. But if any needed any advice and improvement in my project and my videos, please let me down and then comment, and please support and consider supporting to my channel. Do subscribe to my channel, do like it, do share it, and please let me know what you would be needing in next video. Until then, bye guys.